Hello student, today we are going to start our new lesson, Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Here a format of a letter is given to you. On the right side of your hand, the address is given, Home for the Aged, East Street, Girgaon 4, 10th January 2018. This is the address of the sender. And to the left side of your hand, the address of the school is given to the principal, New Vision High School, off Main Street, Girgaon 1. This letter is written by Home for the Aged, the secretary who belongs to Home for the Aged, and this letter is written to the principal, New Vision High School. He wrote down, Dear Miss Ambekar. He wrote down to Ambekar. It was the first time that school children had come to help at our home for the aged on 5th January. He wrote down that this is the first time for their home for the aged that on 5th January the students belong to Miss Ambekar school came to the aged home to help the persons. And I am glad to inform you that their visit was a great success. He is informing to Miss Ambekar that the visit of the students is very successful. The children carried out all the tasks we had planned for them. The secretary of aged home planned some task for the children, and the children carried out all the tasks very greatly. They did them willingly and obediently. All the tasks given by the secretary of aged home is done by the students very willingly and obediently. And of course, our residents enjoyed the storytelling session, and their residents means the aged person also enjoyed the storytelling session by the students quite as much as the students did. In fact, we were wondering whether we could have a few of your students visiting us every month. Now the secretary of aged home is thinking about that some of the students from New Vision High School visit the aged home persons every month. You can imagine how much our residents enjoyed having young visitors, and their residents means the aged person enjoyed very much that the young visitors visiting them. It brightened up the whole week for them, and due to the visit of the young visitors, the young students, their visit brightened the the aged person for a week. And I must admit that the helping hands really lightened some of our work. With warm regards. And the helping hands means the project started by the school helping hands is really lightening some of their work. Here, with warm regards is written, and yours sincerely, Secretary Home for the Aged. This is the person Secretary for Aged Home. A letter of thanks is given here. In the principal's office, second is given here. In the principal's office, principal, yes, Mr. Bendre, you wanted to see me about something. The principal is asking to Mr. Bendre that for what you want to talk with me, for what you want to see me. Mr. Bendre, yes, madam, I have come to say how much we appreciate the good work and the school is doing under SCHH. Mr. Bendre told the principal of the school, he told that madam, he had come to say that they appreciate a good work that they doing the good work done by their school under SEHH. Principal, oh, thank you. Our teachers were keep on the program because they were sure that it would help the children. Then principal told him that it is very nice, and our teachers were keeping the program, they were continuing the program because they were sure that it would help the children, means the children should learn something from through this program. Mr. Bendre, and I can tell you that it has really made a difference. Mr. Bendre also added that this work, the work done by SEHS, really helps the students. My son and his cousin both study in this school. Mr. Bendre told that his son and his son's cousin both were studying in the same school. I have been following their activities throughout the year, and Mr. Bendre, he is following their activities throughout the year. I am really impressed with the changes in their thinking and even their behavior. And throughout the year, Mr. Bendre noticed that their change in their thinking and change in their behavior, and he was really impressed on seeing this. Principal, I am glad to feel that way. Principal, feel also glad. Mr. Bendre, I think the parents will all thank you for paying attention to this aspect of personality development. Then Mr. Bendre told that all the parents were also thank us for the personality development aspect. I want to congratulate you specially at the next Parent Teacher Association meeting. And Mr. Bendre congratulate his principal for the next Parent Teacher Association meeting. Principal, thank you so much. Here is a note of giving thanks personally. We will see the question and answer of this lesson in our next video.